Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to learn now is how to multiply, or find the product, however you want to sound fancy, the answer of two multiplications. That was said weird, non-fancy. And we're seeing whether or not they're going to be positive or negative with signs and etc. Okay, this is the best way I know to say it. Alright, if you got a negative, let's say you got a positive times a positive, what's going to be equal positive? We stay positive, it's always positive. If you've got a positive times a negative, at any time, evil always conquers the good. Sorry about that. But if you got a negative times a negative, well, then that's going to make two wrongs are going to make a right. I like to say, tell my students is, look, you've got two little things there. Well, guess what? They were built from these two. Okay, that was great. All right, so let's work a problem. All right, we want to do this positive number times this positive number. So guess what the answer is going to be? That's right, positive. Good job. All right, now let's say we've got these two numbers. What are these signs here we're seeing? Well, those are negatives. So what's going to be a negative times a negative? Two wrongs make a right. So now it becomes a positive. You don't have to put a plus sign in front of it. It doesn't matter because once it's positive, you know it's positive. Okay, so it would be positive 28.7. All right, now right here you've got a positive and a negative. Let's look at our little cheat sheet. This one has a positive and a negative. Therefore, it's going to be a negative. So it's a negative, and then we just got to do 2.28 times 5.3, 12.084. Let's think that is maybe right. Okay, cool. Let's hope it is. Okay, so now we've got a negative times a positive, which means it falls into this category right here, and therefore it's always going to be. And you're thinking, well, does that positive have to be first, then the negative? It doesn't matter. If it's negative times a positive, well, that's still going to be a negative. Evil overcomes good. Watch a movie, man. Movie Fallen with Denzel. There's a lot of movies out there like that. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about math. So we would just do this. You know it's going to be a negative because that negative's going to override that. So it's a negative 35.34. And you're done. Bye-bye. Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com.